and welcome to my YouTube channel Cherry's Cooking World. And today we are going to make Tricolor Paneer Tikka to make your upcoming Independence Day memorable and special with this tasty recipe. So we will make 3 types of Paneer Tikka: Tanduri Paneer Tikka, Malai Paneer Tikka and Hariyali Paneer Tikka. So let's get started with the video. For making the marination of Tricolor Paneer Tikka, I am using 1 tablespoon thick yogurt in each bowl. Now we will add Amul fresh cream. I am using 1 tablespoon cream for each marination. Now add in half teaspoon salt in all the marinations. Now I am adding red chili powder to our first marination. Half teaspoon black pepper powder in second marination. Half teaspoon kasuri methi in third one. I am adding half teaspoon kitchen king masala in our first marination and in third marination also. Now in our third marination I am going to add this coriander and mint chutney. It already contains green chili. I am adding 2 teaspoon chutney. Add little bit red chili powder to it. And a pinch of garam masala to our second marination. Now mix all the marinations well. See, now all the marinations are ready. Now I am adding paneer cubes or cottage cheese. Now after adding cottage cheese, it's time to add our veggies. Add tomatoes to the first marination, onions to second marination and the bell peppers to the third marination. Finally sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now give them a good mix. Our cottage cheese and veggies are properly mixed with the marination. For this tandoori paneer tikka, we have to do one additional step. Place aluminium foil in middle of the bowl. Now place a hot burning charcoal on it and add 2-3 drops of refined oil very gently to it and immediately cover it. Now marinate all the 3 paneer tikka in refrigerator for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, our paneer tikka is properly marinated. Now I am taking wooden skewers. I have soaked them in water for about 8 to 12 hours. Now let's start with screwing paneer and veggies. Now the skewers are ready. oil on the tawa and put one skewer on it. Similarly, cook the 2 remaining paneer tikkas. They are getting cooked. So now our tricolor paneer tikka is ready. Do try this recipe and make your Independence Day special.